In the vast, empty heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, a gateway to the underworld has been burning for over 50 years. It is a fiery chasm 230 feet wide that collapses into the earth. Locals call it the door to hell. But what is this terrifying burning crater? And how did it get there? The answer is not a legend or a natural wonder. It's the story of a colossal human mistake. In 1971, while the country was part of the Soviet Union, geologists were drilling for natural gas. The ground beneath their massive rig suddenly collapsed, swallowing their equipment and creating a deep sinkhole leaking poisonous methane gas. Fearing a deadly environmental catastrophe, the scientists made a fateful decision. They lit it on fire. They predicted it would burn out in a few weeks. Half a century later, it's still burning. The crater is fueled by one of the largest underground reservoirs of natural gas on the planet, a seemingly endless supply of methane feeding the eternal flame. For decades, this man-made volcano has been a bizarre tourist attraction and a scientific curiosity. But now, the story of the door to hell is entering a dramatic new chapter. Citing the immense environmental damage and the waste of valuable gas resources, the president of Turkmenistan has now officially ordered experts to find a way to extinguish the fire. A team of international scientists is now facing the incredible challenge of trying to close a gateway that was opened by accident over 50 years ago. The door to hell is more than just a geological anomaly. It's a powerful, burning monument to the unintended consequences of our search for resources, a fiery scar on the face of the earth that we created and now are desperately trying to heal. This is GeoSeeker. Subscribe now and join the expedition to seek what's hidden.